Check this out, guys. This is a 1969 Mercury Cougar. This is a factory triple black car, 390, very highly optioned. It's an S code. This car has been totally restored, quote unquote frame off, I would call it, although it's a unibody, so you can't take the frame off, but they definitely worked over the bottom end, which you'll be able to see on our undercarriage pictures on our website. But man, check this out. This is one bad looking Cougar here. Paint body is in excellent shape. Bucket, console. Power windows, power top. It's a very high quality black top that's on this. Been out driving this today, so that was a hot start. Shows 6,000 miles on the odometer. That's believed to be original since the restoration was completed, which is a good amount of miles. That's what you want to see. This car runs and drives excellent. You got your heater down here. It's hard to hear it in the video. I did believe I did hear it turn on. Got a retro stereo here. I can figure out how to use it. It does turn on. Power windows is pretty cool. So you got your left front, got your right front, right rear. They all work very strong. You got your left rear. See, when the doors open, the light on the door panel turns on, which is pretty cool. You got your wipers. See, the clock is ticking there. All right, there you have it, folks. That's your 390 Ford FE big block engine. It's paired to a C6 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got power steering, power front disc brakes. This is some serious muscle under the hood here. This is a really good running engine. Turn the headlights on for you. See the big number under the dash there. Pop-up headlights. dash on these Cougars. That is just so cool. See here, the hardware on the doors is not painted over. They had it all apart when they painted it. The gaps are nice. Gap on the front of this door to the fender is a little wide towards the top. Just something to keep in mind. Man, listen to that exhaust. Did come with a sequential turn signal. You can see they're blinking on the dash there. So I'm going to show you the sequentials. Oh, let's see here. What's going on there? There you go. There's your sequential lights. Of the Cougar. This does have the rim blow horn on it where you squeeze the sides. These hardly ever work. This one does work in certain spots, as you heard there. If you just squeeze different parts of it, you can get it to go sometimes. Power top is in excellent shape. It works really well. Looks really cool at the top up, triple black. And that is on the Marti report. That's the way this car came from the factory. If you'd like to learn more or know the asking price, please go to our website. There's a link in the description. Scroll down, take you right to the page for it on our website. You'll be able to find 80 plus high resolution pictures there, including pictures of the undercarriage. You see how nicely it's restored underneath. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.